This is Jason from Streamline. Today we'll be showing you how to use and maintain your OVA8 roof scraping kit. This kit is a conductor of electricity and should not be used near active power lines. Fit the adapter onto the OVA8 pole as you would your OVA8 brush, pressing the button and pushing until a click is heard. Ensure the thumb screw is unscrewed enough, then push the chosen blade into the adapter from the slot at the base. Reattach the thumb screw and turn until tight. Use the roof scraper by lightly placing the blade onto the roof, then pulling the pole down towards yourself to scrape the roof. Do not press too hard as this will risk damaging the roof.